Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys, Scorpios. So, these are for your general energy, Scorpios, for your relationship and career situation, guys. I'll be picking cards from another deck, guys. So, one card each. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, guys. Scorpios. So we have Queen of Wands in reverse, Sun in reverse, and Two of Wands. So, in your situation, guys, in your career or in your personal life, you are, contemplating some kind of a choice or some kind of change in your situation. You have everything, but instead of feeling happy for whatever you have, you feel something is missing, something is not right. So it may be your emotion in your towards your career, or that may be the way you feel in this relationship. You have a beautiful person you are in love with. You may share a level of understanding, mutual love and respect may be there, but still you feel that something is missing, something is not right. Maybe this person is hiding something, maybe something they do not want to tell you, or you are simply feeling jealous or envious about them. Or you are, for some of you, in some extreme situations, maybe you have a lot of doubt on this person. Maybe you feel that they are not interested in you anymore for some reason, and they are interested in someone else. Maybe they are seeing someone else, maybe. So some kind of doubts or confusions are there in your situation, guys, Scorpio. So in your career, maybe things are going really positively. You see circumstances or choices or the decisions that you have made for your work is working out just fine, and you are getting lucrative returns in your work, but still happiness and contentment is not there in your life today, guys. Maybe for some reason you're feeling anxiety, a lot of anxiety, and depressed, disappointed. So what is the reason for these kind of negative feelings that we see here, guys, with these cards? But we have this card, guys. It is a positive card, but it is in reverse. But though this card is in reverse, it means that your disappointments or depression or these feelings of sadness, all that will change, guys. It will change, and you will see the reason for your disappointments and the way you are feeling today. You will know, you will find out the truth, the reason behind this sadness or stress you are feeling today in your situation, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have higher power. So this card just means that we are all not just human beings. We have that part of the divine, that divine spark in us. helping us, guiding us each and every day of our life, guys, and we need to understand that. And at times this higher power expresses itself, and when you recognize that this higher power is here to help us, guide us in our life, you will feel happy, you will feel so relieved to realize that whatever is supposed to unfold is what is happening today, guys. And the appearance of this card in this reading for your relationship also means that you both share a deep spiritual bond, guys, and that is the only reason this person is there in this connection with you. So maybe this relationship is helping you in your spiritual evolution, spiritual growth, and you are changing so much because of this person, because of this relationship, and because of this connection. So the disappointments or sadness, stress or happiness, whatever it is that you feel in this connection, it is going to help you or speed up that spiritual evolution, guys, Scorpios. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. To be fair. So this card just means that we must be fair, or we must have that sense of equality in our career situation, guys. So what is the right thing to do? We must not be judgmental. We must we must have that balance and go for that mutual benefit in our career situation. So this is the time for mutual gain, maybe in our career situation, based on the efforts of each and every person in our work situation. We must be compensated for that work, for our efforts, and this card stands for justice, balance, and the truth. Maybe for whatever we have truly, honestly worked, when we are compensated with the results, we will be happy. And this may be the apt time for negotiations. Maybe you want to negotiate your the returns for your work or something of that sort. This may be the right time, and things may move positively for your benefit. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and this card stands for balance and that deep sense of mutual benefit for each other, benefit for all. To be fair, that is what it means. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.